Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! Happy 2019! This video is me taking down all of these Christmas decorations and doing a deep clean of the living room, family room that we use. So if you'd like to see how we do it and you need some cleaning motivation, then please keep watching. Happy New Year again! So I'm going to start here by removing all of these gold decorations. I have special boxes for those. And then I take down the red ones, and then my daughter comes in and helps me take down all these little random ones, the silver ones, and the ones with a little more design to them, and we put those in a separate bag. This takes a while. We've got a lot of stuff on here, more than I realized that we had put. This year we really stuffed the tree. And we did really, just like you can see, red and gold colors. We have a couple of random other ornaments, but mostly it was gold and red. I'm wondering for next year what colors to do, if I should just do more gold or add more red. I'm not really sure. So we'll see. But yeah, we're going to take all of this stuff down and clean it all up. It was kind of sad to see the Christmas tree go, but then again, once we put it away, I realized how much space those things take. So it was kind of nice to get my living room back.
Your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore. Tell me there's good in me. Someone tell me there's a good in me. There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. Thinking that nobody can keep me safe. Who's gonna want me? I drink and smoke just to numb the pain of being lonely. Can someone tell me there's a good in me? There's good in me. Cause I got doubts, I got doubts, I got doubts, yeah. On your phone. Ooh, your final words on a piece of paper. I don't love you anymore. Tell me there's good in me. Cause I got doubts, yeah. Tell me there's good in me. About all the years I made up, and I think I'm running out of time. Don't want a day when I say goodbye now, cause you leave a shiver down my spine. Don't let me fall to the ground so heavily, cause I recall what you go through easily. Just let me know where we head in this reverie, and stay, don't mind the way I won't play, don't like the game, cause I will stay, and I will wait for you. Cause I will stay, and I will wait for you.
need ya. I think I'm made for ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think I could please ya. I think I want ya. Think I wanna keep ya. Oh, think I'd give it all up for ya. Think I could believe ya. You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, 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 credible, incredible, 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 credible, incredible, incredible. Said I won't fight it. This time I won't fight for it. I just got a feeling. So long I've been missing it. So we can keep dancing. So we can get drunk in the street, yeah. Spinning around all these lampposts like we're in a movie, but it's real, yeah. You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, 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 credible, incredible, 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 credible, incredible, incredible. You and me would be incredible. You and me would be incredible. You and me, feels like I know we would be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. You and me, feels like we're so meant to be incredible, credible, incredible, incredible. Yeah, yeah. Incredible, credible. Yeah, 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 yeah. Incredible. Yeah, yeah. Incredible, credible. Incredible, credible. Yeah,
So here we're just going to vacuum behind the couches and underneath all the coffee tables and the side tables. And just make sure it's all nice and clean for the new year. Get rid of all the dust and all of the random things that are under the couch. And yeah, so we'll have a fresh start to the new year.
Don't really care what you feel, what you feel, what you feel. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. And if I'm recognizing your mistakes, got me like ooh, feels like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. 'cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think. Shame on me thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't no fun recognizing your mistakes. Got me like ooh, feels like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head. Yeah, prayers from all my saviors. Just let it rain all over me, 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 over me. I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say
So this is the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this and got some cleaning motivation out of it. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my family. Also, please give this a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.